start. Yes, hello everyone, welcome back all. This is Gabs from Africa, and today we are doing something new, guys. So I actually do reaction mostly to Northeast people, specifically Meghalaya, guys, that is Shillong. And today I'm going to check a different music video. I'm not pretty sure is it a Nagaland music, is this music from Nagaland, but I was just searching randomly, guys, about the Nagaland music. Like I would like also to listen to other state, because Northeast India have like 80 state, I think, right? 80 state there. So I'm also so curious to know about other state talent, guys. So I already knew much about Meghalaya, and I came to find out that they really love music. Like it is the one state in Northeast which are so good in music. I'm not saying they are better than the other state, but they love music. This is what I'm trying to say. So today we are going to check Nagaland, guys. First, let me know, is this Nagaland music? Because today we are checking the first music is by the title Young Fella and Mary Dawngi. DUHAISAM official music video, guys, we're checking out. Kindly let me know more about those people, the background and the place, so that I can little bit differentiate, guys. So because it's not written on Nagaland song here, guys, we are going to check out, and kindly let me know more and suggest me other Nagaland or Mizoram like the popular song, guys. So I will do it out, and just support me, subscribe to my channel, because I love Northeast people and I'm gonna react to every state, guys. Let's do it. Subscribe now and let's go. The composer is Young Fella. Okay, let's go. Young Fella is my first time reacting to you, guys. Let me love that shit. Okay, start it, guys. Northeast to the world. Okay. So this is Mary, collaboration with Mary. Min Tiang. Is it? Ah, here is Young Fella. Young Fella, this is Young Fella. I just love the beat. I love the beat, guys. And the flow is so good. They're going so well with the flow. Young Fella, bro, tell us. Okay, I thought it's going to speak English, man. There is no subtitle, guys. Just 1 minute, guys. I'm just having little doubt. Which language are they speaking, guys? And what do people from Nagaland speak? Because I'm not sure. Let me know, guys, which language. And there is no subtitle, but I just love the beat, and I can feel them. Like I can predict the music about what I will tell you until the end of the music. I can tell you up to now. I just love I love what I'm seeing. Like the flow is going so well, and the beat, like it's matching, right? Let's continue. Start.
mà bia tu mi lăn xoa bôi tê ya rem nghe yang hoa nu ron chung dê li leng ila rin nom na kan strawberry salad sweet silbo tu.
The place is so beautiful, it's so natural, it's also similar to Meghalaya. She also sounds so good, guys. She sounds so good. I love the second outfit for her, the second one. Yeah, this outfit is nice. Wow, this is looking so nice. This is looking so nice. Mary Dawngi. Okay, this is my first time ever reacting to Mary Dawngi and young fella, guys. And I just honestly see talent, guys, because it doesn't matter if you understand the lyric or the meaning of the music, because it is in a different language. I didn't get anything, but from the music beat and the movement and the flow and how they're expressing, like you understand what I mean. Like I see talent, guys. Those guys are so talented. Even this music video is having more than 10 million, meaning that is something big and something for sure, something impressive, guys. So this is nice thing. And I was thinking, guys, the Meghalayan language, I mean the Khasi language from Shillong, I was thinking it is the toughest language. I was thinking like that because by the time I started reacting to Meghalaya, I couldn't pronounce their Khasi language. But now I can say the Nagaland, I mean, this language is the toughest, man. I can't even catch one word. I was trying so hard, like, to sing with them, but I couldn't make it. But anyway, because this is my first time reacting to those people, so maybe next time I will try my best to sing out, guys, because for me now, I used to sing in Khasi language, that is Meghalaya Shillong people, guys. So thank you so much, guys. And don't forget, tell me much about those people. Suggest other Nagaland and Mizoram, like the popular, amazing, especially music, which are trending, famous, and the one having subtitle, guys. Love from Africa. Kindly subscribe, stay tuned, because I'm reacting for you only people, guys. Northeast, love from Africa. Till next time.